So here we have Egg and his new pit bike. It's a KX65. No, I was kidding. It's a Uni 125. It's a Umi or Uni
piece of junk.
125? No, don't call it a piece of junk. This thing is
super good.
sweet. Like, I offered to buy it from him, but he doesn't want it.
That went in my eye.
He is changing the carburetor because we have an old, well, it's old, but it's new. It's like it's a new carburetor, but it's old, so we had it for a while. So he's changing that out so this thing can be top notch. So I'll just run over the mods on it. It's got blue spoke covers. It's got a wannabe FMF. It's got stickers everywhere, so that adds like a lot of power.
Dude, that's like.
It's got pro grips.
50 probably.
Sweet pro grips. It's got a Moose Racing like cover, and you know, it has a blue gas cap. And Igor took it upon himself, or Egg took it upon himself to you know, make it try to be silver, but it's still really blue. I guess he's 114, and it's got Monster stickers, cause so you know he drinks Monster. He's got a blue shifter. I don't know if it's a hammerhead, but it's just like a blue shifter, I guess. Like maybe an eBay special, but this thing is super sweet. He traded his JR for it. And I tried to buy it from him, but he doesn't want to sell it to me. And it's got a skid plate.
Heck yeah, sweet skid plate.
Dude, this thing's about to be mint.
Yep, it is.
It's got some little problems, but you know.
No, it doesn't.
What bike doesn't?
It's perfect.
Yeah, it is pretty
Now, the
perfect.
brakes are like horrible on it. Like,
Yeah, he's done some mods on it so far. He's fixed the brakes.
Yeah, I put
he's like putting a
Brembo's.
carb on it with like a
Yeah,
super nice
jet,
air filter.
Yeah.
I think it's Canon. But
Yeah, it has like upgraded jets and stuff in the car.
dude, and he has like a wire running back there. I don't know for what, but I guess he's gonna cut off some dikes if he's strong enough. All right, yeah, he got it.
Shut the freak out.
But this thing is super
Make
sweet.
sure he's the same.
We're gonna do a lot. This is gonna be a build
Yeah, I
series
got
for
it.
him.
Shut the freak out.
Dude, this thing is mint. E.
Fresh E.
Exactly. Yeah, he's just switching all little bits and gadgets
component.
on it. Yeah. But yeah.
I'm gonna take one of this one and see what's in it.
It's sweet. No. Just
Yeah.
put this one in.
Oh,
so
you
they
can't
can
even
hear
take
it run.
You can't even take this off.
Dude, you need to let them hear it run.
Dude, they're about to
let
hear
this puppy roar.
this sucker run.
Let this hamster squeal. But yeah, he's got GT Omega Racing stickers on it everywhere because you know it's fast. And like, just stuff like that. This thing's crazy.
This thing's great.
Yeah. Did that stand come with it?
Yeah. No, I did. Oh yeah, sugar.
There you go. Dude, this thing is so nice. Nah, but seriously, I did try to buy it from him, but he wouldn't sell it to me for my offering.
This dude
I don't
tried to
know why.
freaking scam me.
Dude, what?
Your offer was a scam.
It wasn't a scam, bro. I was here. I had cash in hand. I was gonna pick it up
No.
right now.
Yeah, like 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
I'll pick it up right now.
Dude, trust me.
Nah, it's not that bad though.
I know it's not. That's why I wanted to buy it. So I could pop mad wheelies.
Oh, well,
Mad wheelies. I think the street king is coming back. Street sweeper. Yeah, the street sweeper. So yeah, he's about to put this carb in, and then hopefully this puppy starts right up.
These are just like barely fitting.
I'm just saying you gotta get in there.
Shut up.
Just a little bit of a struggle sandwich. But he's eating it up. Ow. Why didn't you put the, oh, never mind. You're gonna put it. You think those SSR plastics would fit on this?
No.
Why? You tried?
We don't have them anymore. I gave them to him, I think.
Give him the hoop.
Oh, no, we do still have them. Remember, Chris?
Yeah. That cup is funny.
Freaking Billy.
Isn't it white now?
Yeah, it's all white. That thing is nice. It's all freaking white.
Dude, he needs to come back over that thing. I know he doesn't ride it.
I know, right? I'm pretty sure where he lives, he like can't even ride it.
Yeah. I'm also pretty sure of that.
Well, it's probably at his dad's house now.
He's just tightening carburetor bolts. There you
Pretty
go.
good.
Oh yeah.
This last one.
Let's just tighten it up now. Make sure you tighten it up now.
I want to strip it out.
I'll be stripping it out now. Oh yeah. You turn the gas on. Now he would try and start it. Uh-oh.
Runs way better than others.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that thing runs way better.
That thing
now.
is
Dude, this thing runs so much better. Before, like,
that thing is
like
crazy.
halfway through the RPMs, it would like bog out. This thing, oh my gosh, I want to open it so
It's
bad.
just so crazy.
Screw you.